Today we have the VANQUE Power Ratchet. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Big shout out to VANQUE for sending us this product to test to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. Model number V3302, 40 foot-pounds of torque, front control, front and rear or reverse control, cordless design. The model number V3302, we got square drive 3/8 of an inch, 3/8 drive, max torque 40 foot-pounds, speed. We're gonna test the torque speed, 0 to 400 per minute. Speed range, variable speed. Battery voltage 12 volts, net weight 1.7 pounds. Gross weight 4.95 pounds. Measurement 7.67 by 2.75, 6 inches. Alright, we got a case. It says VANQUE. Obviously, alright, the first thing we have is the instructions. Next thing we have is the charger. Pretty much a standard charger. Got positive and negative. We got red light, a green light. We got a model number there. We got 12 volt lithium-ion. It says fast charger input 100 to 200 VAC, 50 to 60 hertz. Output 12.6 VDC. Charge only when battery is above 40 Fahrenheit. Some indentations there so you guys can hang this in your garage. Alright, we got a battery. It's a little scratched up, it seems. It says 12 volt max lithium. We got a plus, minus, and then we got a T. VANQUE battery pack, 12 volt, 2.0 amp, 24 watt hours. Alright, same thing with this battery here. Got the tool itself. First impressions is it actually feels a little thick. The handle feels a little thicker, but it still feels okay. I do have bigger hands, so it feels a little thicker this way. This way it's a little kind of narrow. Well, it's actually normal size, but this way it's kind of long, so just keep that in mind. The rubbers feel really good. So it feels pretty good quality actually. Some ventilation there, ventilation, and then this is a paddle like an air style ratchet. And then we do have a lock, so if you want to lock it, unlock it. You do have two different connectors there at the inside for the battery. We got the V3302 cordless ratchet. It says ratchet wrench 0 to 400 RPM 12 volt. Then we have a place there for the serial number if they want to put it in there. So, and the ratchet seems to be pretty decent. Let's check it out here. It does say reverse and forward, so yeah. So overall it seems to be pretty nice. You do have a fuel gauge here, what this does. So it does light up. Seems like it's jumping from 3 to 4 bars. Alright. Very easy to get out, so that's nice. You can just squeeze the sides here and take it out. You have a nice LED light. It's actually not too bad. This ratchet does come with sockets 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 17. So that's not too bad. We do have an adapter here for smaller, for 4-inch size. Like if you have smaller sockets, you guys could put, throw that in there to this ratchet with this adapter. The case is okay. You can feel that it's, the quality obviously it's not the best, but it works. Alright, the charger is connected. We got a red light. 2 pounds, 2.3 ounces. 1 pound, 11.7 ounces. Alright, battery by itself, it's 6.6 ounces. Battery is full. 10 millimeter, pretty decent quality. Pretty nice finish. 10 millimeter. It is indented on the side. So probably a 13. Yep, 13. Have good eye. we're gonna take this one off. All right. But just to let you know, I did tie these with another ratchet, so it's able to take it. I'm not gonna keep going. We're just gonna reverse it. Just on this lever, just, you know, flip it the other way. You go clockwise. I'm not gonna tie it up because we're gonna put this one in there. So once we put it in there, we can do this. This is not breaker bar or any type of regular ratchet. This is limited to the amount of torque you guys could put, like, you know, manually. So just keep that in mind. Like what you're gonna do this manually like that. Make sure you guys don't put a lot. Any ratchet that's electric, you're not supposed to put a lot. It's just, you know, for smaller stuff like this, bolts like this or smaller, it works fine. All right, guys, my audio did die, so I'm gonna do a voice over this video, the rest of the video. So we did zero it out. We're gonna be using a socket here, half an inch socket without adapters. We're gonna take the measurement of what this ratchet did tie this down to. Remember, guys, these are not impact wrenches, just to let you know. It's a 6.7 pounds, so it's not a lot. It's pretty safe for the smaller stuff. So you're not going to be breaking any smaller bolts or anything with this one, so it's pretty safe on that. Then again, it's not a professional tool, so just keep that in mind. This is mostly targeted to the DIY. 7.5 pounds. I mean, it did take the nuts and bolts, or the bolts from the previous ratchet that I used, so it's in fairly range of 30 to 40 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Guys, this is a great item for the DIY. I just looked at the price. It's actually not too bad. There's I believe it's $79, and there's a $10 discount on this. So yeah, great for the DIY. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.